Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Chloe, and today we are going to talk about going to the doctor.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Chloe, welcome back. This is day 8 of our 30-day English Fluency Challenge.
Day 8. I feel proud.
You are doing great. How do you feel today?
I feel good. Thank you. How are you?
I am good too.
Ben, today's topic is important
Yes, health English is very useful.
because everyone gets sick sometimes,
That is true.
and it is scary in English.
It can be scary, but we will make it easy.
Okay,
We will use simple sentences.
simple is best.
Yes, simple and clear.
Ben, I want to know what to say at a clinic.
Great. We will practice that today.
Thank you.
Listeners, this is speaking practice.
Please speak out loud with us.
Speak slowly.
Slow is okay.
Mistakes are okay.
Just speak.
Chloe, warm-up question. Do you go to the doctor often?
Not often,
That is good.
but sometimes I get a cold.
Yes, a cold is common.
I also get headaches sometimes.
Headaches are common too.
Today I want to learn these words.
Perfect. First, repeat these very useful sentences.
Okay.
I am not feeling well.
I am not feeling well.
I need to see a doctor.
I need to see a doctor.
I would like to make an appointment.
I would like to make an appointment.
I have a headache.
I have a headache.
I have a fever.
I have a fever.
I have a cough.
I have a cough.
I have a sore throat.
I have a sore throat.
I have a stomach ache.
I have a stomach ache.
I feel tired.
I feel tired.
I feel dizzy.
I feel dizzy.
It hurts here.
It hurts here.
I am allergic to nuts.
I am allergic to nuts.
Can you help me, please?
Can you help me, please?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Great. These sentences are enough for real life.
Yes, they are simple.
Now we start part 1, warm conversation.
Okay.
Chloe, what do you do when you feel sick?
First, I rest.
Good.
I drink water and tea,
Nice.
and I try to sleep more.
Sleep helps a lot.
Yes.
Do you take medicine at home?
Sometimes, yes.
Like cold medicine?
Yes. Cold medicine.
Do you go to the doctor when it is serious?
Yes. If I feel very bad, I go.
That is smart.
But I do not know how to explain my problem in English.
Today you will learn how.
Great.
Part 2, main discussion with role plays.
Okay.
We will practice 3 places.
3 places.
First, calling the clinic.
Okay.
Second, talking at the reception desk.
Okay.
Third, talking to the doctor.
Great.
And a bonus, the pharmacy.
Nice.
Role play 1, calling the clinic.
Okay.
I am the clinic staff.
Okay. I am the patient.
Good morning, City Clinic. How can I help you?
Good morning. I would like to make an appointment, please.
Of course. What is the problem?
I am not feeling well.
I am sorry to hear that. What symptoms do you have?
Sorry, what does symptoms mean?
Great question. Symptoms means your health problems.
Oh, okay. I have a sore throat and a cough.
Okay, how long have you had this?
For 2 days.
For 2 days. Okay, are you free today?
Yes, I am free today.
We have a time at 4 p.m.
4 p.m. works for me.
Great. What is your name?
My name is Chloe.
Can you spell that, please?
Yes, Chloe.
Thank you. See you at 4 p.m.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Great job, Chloe.
Thank you. It felt possible.
Yes, you used simple sentences.
I like that.
Role play 2, at the reception desk.
Okay.
I am the receptionist.
Okay.
Hello, how can I help you?
Hi. I have an appointment at 4 p.m.
What is your name?
Chloe.
Great. Please have a seat.
Thank you.
The doctor will see you soon.
Okay. Thank you.
Nice. Very simple.
Yes, I can say that.
Now, sometimes you need a form.
A form?
Yes, paper to fill in.
Okay.
Let's practice.
Okay.
Please fill out this form.
Please fill out this form.
Can you write your name here?
Can you write your name here?
Can you sign here, please?
Can you sign here, please?
Do you have insurance?
Do you have insurance?
Here is your card.
Here is your card.
Great. Now role play 3, talking to the doctor.
Okay.
I am the doctor.
Okay. I am the patient.
Hello, Chloe. How are you today?
Hello, doctor. I am not feeling well.
I am sorry to hear that. What is wrong?
I have a headache and a sore throat.
Okay. Do you have a fever?
Yes, a little.
Do you have a cough?
Yes, I have a cough.
How long have you felt like this?
For 2 days.
Okay. Please open your mouth.
Okay.
Please say, ah. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I think you have a cold.
Okay.
You should rest and drink water.
Okay.
I will give you some medicine.
Thank you.
Do you have any allergies?
Yes, I am allergic to nuts.
Okay. Thank you for telling me.
Thank you.
Very good. You said your allergy. That is important.
Yes, allergies are serious.
Exactly. Now, bonus role play. At the pharmacy.
Okay.
I am the pharmacist.
Okay.
Hello. How can I help you?
Hi, I have a prescription.
Okay. May I see it?
Yes, here you are.
Thank you. Please wait a moment.
Okay.
Here is your medicine.
Thank you.
Take this 2 times a day.
2 times a day.
After food.
After food.
Any questions?
Yes, can I take this with tea?
Yes, that is fine.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Get well soon.
Thank you.
Great job. Get well soon is a kind phrase.
Yes, I like it.
It means feel better soon.
Feel better soon.
Now, part 3, learning section.
Great.
Vocabulary time.
Okay.
Word 1, doctor.
Doctor.
A doctor helps sick people.
Yes.
Word 2, clinic.
Clinic.
A clinic is a small medical place.
Okay.
Word 3, appointment.
Appointment.
Appointment is a planned time to see the doctor.
Planned time.
Yes.
Appointment.
Word 4, symptom.
Symptom.
Symptom is a problem like cough or fever.
Okay.
Word 5, prescription.
Prescription.
A prescription is a paper from the doctor for medicine.
I see.
Word 6, pharmacy.
Pharmacy.
A pharmacy is where you buy medicine.
Great.
Now grammar.
Okay.
We often say I have for symptoms.
I have a headache.
Yes.
I have a cough.
Great. I have a fever. Perfect. We also say I feel for feelings.
I feel tired.
Yes.
I feel dizzy.
Great. And we say it hurts for pain.
It hurts here.
Perfect. Now a useful time phrase.
Okay.
For 2 days.
For 2 days.
For 1 week.
For 1 week.
For 3 hours.
For 3 hours.
Good. For means the duration of time.
Duration means how long.
Yes, exactly. Now, irregular verbs we use today.
Okay.
Feel, felt.
Feel, felt.
Have, had.
Have, had.
Take, took.
Take, took.
Good. Now, pronunciation tips.
Okay.
Headache.
Headache.
We say head ache.
Head, ache.
Good. Stomach ache.
Stomach ache.
We say stomach ache.
Stomach, ache.
Nice. Allergy.
Allergy.
We say al-er-g.
Allergy.
Great. Now, part 4. Listen and repeat practice.
Okay.
Everyone repeat out loud.
Speak slowly and clearly.
I am not feeling well.
I am not feeling well.
I would like to make an appointment.
I would like to make an appointment.
I have a headache.
I have a headache.
I have a sore throat. I have a sore throat. I have a cough.
I have a cough.
I have a fever.
I have a fever.
I feel tired.
I feel tired.
It hurts here.
It hurts here.
For 2 days.
For 2 days.
I am allergic to nuts.
I am allergic to nuts.
Can you repeat that, please?
Can you repeat that, please?
Can you speak more slowly, please?
Can you speak more slowly, please?
Thank you for your help.
Thank you for your help.
Get well soon.
Get well soon.
Excellent.
These sentences are easy to remember.
Yes, because they are short.
Short is good.
Now, Chloe, longer natural conversation.
Okay.
Imagine you are talking to a friend.
Okay.
Your friend asks, "How are you?"
Okay.
Answer naturally.
I am not feeling well today.
Oh no, what's wrong?
I have a headache.
That sounds hard.
Yes, I feel tired too.
Did you see a doctor?
Not yet. I will go tomorrow.
Okay, get well soon.
Thank you.
Great. That is a real conversation.
Yes, I can use it. Quick listener question. Yes.
Listeners, what do you say when you feel sick?
Please write one sentence in the comments.
For example, I have a cold.
Simple is perfect.
Chloe, mini quiz time.
Okay.
If you want to see a doctor, what do you say?
I would like to make an appointment.
Great. If you have pain, what can you say?
It hurts here.
Perfect. If you do not understand the doctor, what do you say?
Can you repeat that, please?
Excellent. If you have an allergy, what do you say?
I am allergic to nuts.
Great job. Chloe, you are improving every day.
Thank you. I feel progress.
That is the challenge working.
Yes.
If you are enjoying day 8, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yes, and come back tomorrow for day 9.
Thank you for supporting the channel. Chloe, what is your goal for today?
My goal is to explain my symptoms in English.
Great goal.
And to stay calm.
Perfect. Final review. Very short. Okay. Start simple. I am not feeling well. Say your problem. I have a sore throat. Say how long. For 2 days. Ask for help. Can you help me, please? Say thank you.
Thank you.
Perfect. Today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today.
Thank you everyone for listening.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.